ever wanted to give your pets, your chickens, your cats, water for a week you are not there? Here's how you do it. So, a cola bottle with a hole in it, about 2 millimeters. A second bottle, you have to cut it so that when you put it upside down, that goes and about 2 inches floats above this. So maybe cut it here. Let's try it here. So the next one, you put it upside down here. If you need to tape it, make sure it floats about 1 inch above it. Next, I'm going to just put 2 pieces of duct tape here. So that keeps it exactly at that location. Okay, to cut a big hole around it. Just make sure you're about 1 inch up. Definitely above that, where that thing is here. Stop. By using it this way, the edges are really not sharp. They're really nice. And all you need to do now, turn this around and see what happens. It fills up, but once it gets to a certain level, it stops when the water reaches at that level. And once it floats again, it sucks air in, and then more water will come down for them. You can adjust this how big it is to the size of the head of your animal. And if you want to be fancy, get the top of one of the other bottles in, this here, and then get that corner on a stove, almost melted, and then before put the holes inside on top of that, and then put that on that, and you see it get almost molten in, and that as well you can then fill it from top here.